Hello children, welcome back. Today is our last lecture for this chapter, chapter number 2, shapes and angles. Earlier 3 lectures we have seen. So today this is the last lecture on chapter number 2, shapes and angles. Now see, first we will see in last lecture what we have seen. In last lecture we have seen what is the protractor, how to use it. Okay, then we have seen how to measure an angle and how to draw an angle. This we have learned. Today what we are going to see is how to find the value of x in the given angles. Okay, before we start this, let me once again revise about angles, because unless and until you know detail in the angle, you can't calculate x. So we have seen 6 types of angles. Okay, so first was acute angle. What I mean by acute angle is the measure of angle more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Then right angle exactly 90 degree. This is the sign. If the measure is not given but this sign is given, we have to understand this is a right angle. Then obtuse angle, its measure is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. And this is straight angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree. Reflex angle more than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. And complete angle means a circle of 360 degree. So to find the value of x, most we will use these 4 angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. These 4 angles we will use here to find the value of x. Now let's see how to solve the problems based on that. Now see, this is the first question. Find the value of x. Now see children, this is the figure given. Okay, here this ABC, it is a straight angle. Okay, what is meant by straight angle? So whose measure is 180 degree. Here angle, I told you what is meant by angle. When the two rays meet at a common end point, it forms a angle. So which 2 rays are here? Ray DA and ray BC. These are the 2 rays and they are meeting at the same end point. It is B. Now here one more ray is there, and because of this ray 2 more angles are formed. Now see, so total there are 3 angles. First is this is the straight angle, angle ABC. Second is this is the obtuse angle, angle ABD. And the third is this is the acute angle, angle DBC. And this x means we have to find the value of this x. Now see, angle this one 125 degree, the measure of this angle ABD is 125 degree. See, ABC is a straight angle, so measure of ABC is 180 degree. Measure of angle ABD, it is given 125 degree. Okay, and measure of angle DBC is x degree that we have to find. Now how to find? So as we know that measure of angle ABC is 180 degree, if we will subtract the measure of angle ABD from 180 degree, we will get the measure of angle DBC. Now see here, so measure of angle DBC is equal to, this we have to find out, so is equal to 180 minus 125. Why 180 minus 125? The measure of angle ABC, it is a straight angle, it is 180 degree, and measure of angle ABD, it is a acute angle and its measure is 125 degree. It came down. Okay. Now see, then what is the answer of 180 minus 125 is 55. So what is the measure of angle DBC is 55 degree. So we have found the value of x, it is 55 degree. If you will add these two, if you will add the measure of these 2 angles, it will be 180. Means 125 plus 55 is equal to 180. Now move to the next question. See the next question. See here. Again, see here are 3 angles. Angle PQR, it is a straight angle. Angle PQS, it is a right angle. Angle SQR, it is also right angle. I told you that 2 right angles make one straight angle. 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. So here we have to find out the value of SXR. We know this is a right angle, but as we have to solve it, see how to solve. Measure of angle PQR is 180 degree. Measure of angle PQS is 90 degree. It is a right angle. And measure of angle SQR, it is given x degree. So we have to find it. So how to find out? Again, measure of angle PQR minus measure of angle SQP. So what is the measure of angle PQR is 180 degree and measure of SQP is 90 degree. So 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. So measure of angle SQR is equal to 90 degree. Now see one more example we will see. Now see here how many angles we can see. So there are PQR, it is a straight angle, first angle. PQS, it is a right angle, second angle. SQR, it is a third angle, it is also right angle. SQT, it is a acute angle, this is a fourth angle. And angle TQR, this is also acute angle, this is a fifth angle. So total how many angles are here? 5 angles. Angle PQR 1, angle PQS second, angle SQT third, angle TQR fourth, and angle SQR again right angle fifth. So total 5 angles are there. Now here we have to find out the value of x. X is the value of angle SQT. This is the value of angle SQT we have to find out. Now how to find? So see, measure of angle PQR is 180 degree as it is a straight angle. Then PQS it is a right angle, so it is 90 degree. And SQR also right angle, so it is a 90 degree angle. Okay, now see, here I have given PQS is 90 degree, SQR is also 90 degree. Now measure of angle TQR, it is given as 65 degree. Now these two angles, means angle SQT plus angle TQR is equal to right angle, means 90 degree. So x plus 65 is equal to 90. So how to find is angle, measure of angle SQT is equal to 90 minus 65. So what will be the answer of this? 25. So 25 plus 65 is equal to 90. So we got the value of x, it is 25 degrees. So measure of angle SQT is equal to 25 degree. Now one last example we will see, children. See here again. Now in the first question we have given measure of angle, obtuse angle, and we had to find out measure of acute angle. Now here we have given measure of acute angle and we have to find out the measure of obtuse angle. The procedure is same. Again here are 3 angles. Angle ABC, it is a right angle, its measure is 180 degree. Angle DBA, it is an acute angle, its measure is 35 degree, it is given. And angle DBC, it is an obtuse angle whose measure is given x. And that x we have to find out. Again, how to find out? Same procedure. Measure of angle ABC minus measure of angle DBA is equal to measure of angle DBC. So 180 minus 35 and we have to find out the answer. So see here, measure of angle DBC is equal to 180 minus 35 is equal to 145. So measure of angle x is equal to 145 degree. So it is the measure of angle DBC. So measure of angle DBC is equal to 145 degree. So hope children you understood well how to calculate x. So in chapters shapes and angles, what we have seen? We have seen basic geometrical concept. In that we have seen plane, then point, then line segment, line and ray. After that in the second lecture we have seen what is meant by angle, how to name the angle and what are the types of angles. In the third lecture we have seen what is meant by protractor, how to measure an angle and how to draw an angle. In this last lecture we have seen how to calculate x or how to find out the value of x. So hope you understood well. In the next lecture we will start the revision of lesson number 3, how many squares. Thank you. Have a nice day. Be safe.